I mean, me tell you. Me tell you.
Philippian, put me in a big screen for a minute. We have a 1 minute laugh.
Yes, thank you.
Wanna look good pan that picture, then tell me what you say.
Oh, that John Pollock.
No, John
Yes, and
Pollock.
what again?
One.
Tell you say one, the
You
one
know,
foot.
In take back your foot.
Yeah, where
What
one got the
again?
foot.
What again? No, look good, look good.
The
Then
shower
take back
woman
the
I
foot.
put up. The woman I said
you
shower.
can't.
The
Alright,
nurse.
look
The
at the
nurse.
nurse.
The
Look
nurse
at the
is the
nurse.
shower.
Oh, yes, yes.
Show.
Murder for
The nurse I
somebody.
said, murder before murder. The
The
nurse I
Oh,
nurse,
said,
that.
show.
the nurse
Yeah.
rather him.
That's the message,
Yeah.
yeah. Show her do that, show her do that.
Big up nurse,
The
big up
lovely
nurse.
nurse.
Next
The
year we are
love our
nominate you for your
salary package.
award. Anybody
Yeah,
know
the
that
nurse
nurse
love
here?
our
Make we know, make
salary
we send her
package
one gift. What?
too.
Make we send her one gift package for our service. We no find out
Yes.
the nurse identity, please.
Yeah, the
I take,
siren
Sweet
about the
me?
screenshot it, you know.
then take back your foot from John Pollock.
No,
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 sir,
yeah,
I'm in
man, the man.
hospital.
Yeah, man, the man, I tell him, say we want it back.
Oh,
Nurse I said, shower.
Me say sweet me when me see it.
The screenshot that, they go over Twitter, go kill it when we go over there.
The nurse, you know, him a knock up himself about bed and Ray. 2 grand, you see it? A surgery him do. Me don't know what kind of surgery. Every minute, John in a hospital.
Wow.
I use up the government resources more than
it's free.
anybody else.
It's
Bad
free.
mind
It's
a
free.
kill John, man. Bad mind and gratefulness.
But me say when me see the picture, me say watch John and come enough up himself. But nurses say hold this. Show under your nastiness.
But guess what? He sure everybody will come to hospital call Luffy and him in the hospital, but he never showed the leader them.
They no go. You have time and not up a nurse.
Them business with John.
Nathaniel Imbo, show it back, please. Nathaniel, you cut off your life, pan we. Me now show it back.
Him not
Me
pay-
get
know,
used to not. Look here,
you know, yeah.
Kizzy.
But I forgot about Nathaniel on next phone.
Me get
Yeah.
used to Nathaniel and Chopper. I say two of them do all the time.
Chopper terrible to you, Bridget.
No.
Relax, me I tell
Hey.
you.
A true
Me
man.
sleep.
2 grand, 2 grand,
Yesterday.
2 grand, 2 grand. Why? What kind of surgery? Uno no hear what kind of when go cut? A gaita? Or a pile? What got John go cut?
I file J. Brian Gee, man.
Jesus.
You're going to be yourself, you know.
Chuck,
We can stay positive. We
I
can stay
understand that
positive.
it was a 6 change operation he carried out.
when do?
He did a 6 change, he's now Janet instead of Jan.
He's no Janet. Janet, no.
Guys, let us do better than that. Let us stay.
You say my transmission.
Churchill,
Churchill is a little joke.
Churchill, we have to have a little laugh, you know.
No, me understand the laugh.
Churchill.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something. You see, when it come to John, me not have no apology on me class John. Because John do it brawling daily for everybody. Anybody. John have no respect for nobody.
Yeah,
No,
Him have no pity, him have no respect.
No respect. So and I just laugh for John. We
No,
not really
no.
taking away.
I'm just saying, in light of today, Heroes Day, it's a positive day. Let us keep it
Yeah, but you know,
positive.
she say nurse is a good hero.
Yeah.
Oh.
We can speak of the nurse. And I can say, I'm a proud
But is it-
Jamaican. Let us all say that.
But
I'm
let me
a
tell you
proud
something. Well, you don't
Jamaican.
understand about females, you know. Let me tell you something about females. You see, the first thing a female do when you and them are gonna take a picture, I put up them shower finger, you know, them 2 finger, you know.
Then I must.
So, man.
We're
Any
supposed to
female
put
at
it up.
all, you know.
Like that.
We're
Any
supposed to put
female
it
at
up.
all. What you mean?
So females are naturally showers, right?
Yeah.
Well, if we're supposed to believe the polls are saying that more women are labor rights than men.
That is what I love. If the man
Strong
can tell
women
my
at the
PNP
Jamaica Labour
side.
Party.
Yeah.
Is Juliet husband them love off, them better leave him alone.
I don't do
Yeah,
that husband alone. So walk
Long.
away.
Long. You see the
but,
Is Juliet firm
But
body
kids-
man them love off.
Kizzy, when you know, me
Eh?
just seen on the paper a while ago about Mark Golden, but like him no agree with the icon award with the Prime Minister want to do. So
Really?
they differ, honey. Yes, me just see
What
people
is that
We
one?
don't really, we don't really
The,
respond. Come
the
on, well, I'm
one,
not
the one
Jamaican.
that, the one that he gave Bob Marley and Miss Lou.
Remember, he
Mm-hmm.
said. Remember,
I
he
hear
said
they
he's
want
gonna
them to get.
create an icon which is different.
Hold on, you're not mute. Please. There's a feedback from Chroma.
Yeah, Chromas
Chromas,
is
that's
a,
a chromas always I get a feedback.
we not really respond to Mark Gold, you know, I say,
What
man, not
did he
Jamaican.
say? Somebody can tell me?
I just saw it in
What he said,
nigga
Bridget?
so they differ on the award that the Prime Minister. Remember the Prime Minister just said in his speech that they're
Yeah,
going
about
to
the National Icon Award.
right.
Anna.
Anna. Well, it just said that Mark Golden differ. Some may say there's nothing the Prime Minister does that this man ever agree with. You understand?
Right. And we don't really care about what him want. He not have to agree with it. He needs to go back to England. We not business about him.
Yeah, him shouldn't have no saying of this. He's not British.
Yeah. He not have no
Look where man,
say.
time I talk about the prime minister, the one
Somebody
Bamba the
shuffle
era.
up a bag. You can mute one at a time, speak, please.
Mega mute, Philip.
Bridget I eat crackers man, I must see crackers bag that.
Yeah,
Anyway,
don't bug me that one. Mega mute. Chromas, your ears too clean.
yeah man,
I
I
eat
crackers
tough
yeah.
crackers, because that definitely sound like tough crackers bag.
Let the
Here
push out
too.
time bag for you, Bridget. But anyway,
Oh,
I say
guys,
Mark Gold.
Ansel Parchment was recognized today as well. Outstanding contribution to sports. I think that was also a good pick.
Remember I said Mark Gold, which was spinning nine spokes, man, 9 wheel spokes. Cause you want about if you win you want to get Bamba hero. So when the Prime Minister come with this, I match up field plan. But it's not gonna work. But it's not no chance to do nothing bad because I'm not gonna win. Anyway, I win 9 pants, 40 my father, figure that kind of win them I win.
So which part of Bob Marley era?
Well, I know,
No.
Clark. And finally, the 4 of the
Anyway,
reggae boys were awarded today too.
When I
Walter
PAP
Boyd was awarded.
Mark Golden.
Walter Boyd was awarded. Pepe Goodinson was awarded. Tapper Whitmore and Lynn
That's
Val
good,
Dixon.
Kizzy.
Yes,
That's
that's
good. Yes.
and
Chris
they're having a big celebration for them at Belzady football. For them I have a Westchester Park, St. George's College. Up at St. George's College, them I have a celebration for them.
Them not get Chris
Oh,
Gayle
that's,
nothing.
I know Chris Gayle time yet.
that's why Missy Walter Boyd
If nobody
dressed
no
like chicken
nominate
foot
him, me
this
not get it.
morning.
Who?
Walter.
Walter Boyd, the Pearl. That's why Missy him on TikTok, but me never know say there so he was going. I saw
Oh, Dark
him.
Knight, you
And
want to
then-
find the entire list? At 238 people, you know.
So,
There's a
No,
one
man,
number.
that's important one never want. So we know.
and on the loan get no award.
Walter Boy get one.
No.
Walter
Yeah.
Boyd.
Okay.
The Pearl.
Everybody cannot get one time, you know. Their time will
Pepe
come.
deserve it.
Pepe Goodinson deserve it. Trust me.
Yeah.
Him see it
And
well
what
at that
again,
time.
Kizzy? Pepe, Walter Boyd,
It was. Listen, four of them
Four of them.
from 98 to get it.
World
Walter
Cup.
Boyd,
Hey,
Ian Goodison, Tapper Whitmore, and Linval Dixon.
Linval.
Rudy.
Oh, Glenval, yeah.
I would have been
Remember
happy if
Linval
Gregory
Dixon?
Bessam. I would
Hey.
have been happy if Gregory
Yeah.
Bessam was among them.
so me
Yeah,
read
Gregory Messam, yeah.
Gregory Bessam should have been among them, in my opinion. But anyways, Dark Knight at 232 people were awarded today. It would be a long list to read out.
Come here, read the article just now.
Philip, I get rid of that PMP, then I comment there. But one PMP time come.
Hey,
We
so
have
me-
to do it. Let
me-
me-
DJ, Chroma's loving man.
May I
That's
read the
enough.
article just now?
Hey,
It says,
Philippian, mute the boy here. We don't want a PNP over here. Go ahead. If we start mute them, man, them
Who
not
is
feel
that?
what that say.
Who?
Black
Wayne,
them.
sit on that Wayne.
Wayne
Wayne.
Jones.
Black
Wayne
them,
Jones.
no mute them, black them.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
Mute them, them on la turn on them on la turn on and report the live. But
Well,
yeah,
I-
and Dennis Daily, Missy Dennis Daily get award. I mean, you know nobody cause she, but them a cause
On
and
alone, me auntie, no, man.
hey,
Who you say get award?
Me
So what, where
auntie.
she get it for now?
If you look
She
like
Not
Return of the
no,
Living
no,
no, she
Dead.
not even
no.
fit for a country club.
She have a school, maybe that's why she for years she have a nice school.
You get if you look like transmission.
Hey, Tappy,
Me can't find the person.
in gone man.
Okay, so you guys want to hear what Massa Mark said?
Yeah,
National icon or national hero? Oldness Golden different honoring Miss Lou and Bob Marley.
I think national icon is
good enough for them.
better
Yeah,
Yeah, good enough
heroes
for
are
them.
people who
than
fought for our
national
rights. Miss
heroes.
Lou
They
and
know,
Bob
they
Marley
know
didn't fight for our rights.
exactly.
Yes, you understand?
Me personally no believe say Bob Marley to be national hero.
And that
You know, and
Mark Golden say happy be, and that's why him against it.
you
He
have to
get
understand,
No.
Yeah, because I tell
Mark,
you,
no,
I was
no,
one of them
Mark,
talking point. I was
Wanna
one of
see
them
what
Mark,
me
talking
right
point
now
that.
chapter Bun Bad Marley, so no don't know me stand on the one there.
Mark don't know the difference between people that bring our culture or people that fight for our lives.
Plank,
You
plank, plank.
understand?
Plank, the man just go with popularity. Him just want to go to Jamaica and say, yeah, Bob Marley, hero.
Exactly,
That's him I go
exactly.
with.
Right. It's a
Listen, hear
cartel
them say
stunt.
bold to be
Him a
national
try
hero
pull.
then.
It's a popularity.
This who
It's a
say bold to be national
it's a
hero.
populist party already. If you go,
Cause
man,
you know, like nobody would like hear my views on Bob Marley.
Well, Merlin, Atian, Dian Emmons, they should get national hero also.
Thank you very
Everybody
much.
that put Jamaica on the map, just give them national hero. Just full up
And, and
hero
don't
circle
forget,
with them.
Juliet Cuthbert too,
Exactly. Fill up national hero circle with them. Because I don't know what they're talking about.
because they did good.
Call you
Exactly.
change
They
up one
did
way.
good. They put us on the map. You can
Right.
go anywhere and call the name and people can tell you who they are.
Because remember, Bob Marley, Merlin not alone need a run for way. Should have kill herself, she and Juliet Cuthbert.
Yeah, man. Yeah, when they use and beat my more than that, you know. All who beat her, jugs them use, no, and beat her, you know. I hold up
Yeah.
a first and get, you know. I rob them robber, you know. I pay jugs they used to use for her, you know, brother. The other at least everyone against her, you know. And beat her. That's why she get hold up a third. Now hold up a first and second, she don't get.
The girl Gwen Terrence
This man know nothing about our
and Gail
culture and this man
Divas.
just
Him don't
talking
know
here
nothing.
garbage.
Him
What
don't
does
know
Mark
nothing
Goldie know
about.
about our culture? Forget about that whole looking.
Before Africa, Bob Marley got liberate, Africa.
Well, let
What
us
is
not
about?
let us. I mean, hero they're not top class by itself.
Exactly, Churchill, exactly.
But in making our point, let us not make it sound like we're denigrating any of our legends. You know.
Churchill.
Yeah, let me not
Churchill.
sound like we're against them or whatever,
Right.
but
No, yeah,
just
man, I
speak
said,
it
stick
as
up
it
in.
is.
Let me say something. Let me say something there, please. To the panel.
Here man, if me against the man, me against the man, sister.
Yeah,
Me
Bridget.
not me not me no me no 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 with the Bob Marley
Bridget.
never do not much more
Bridget.
than
Bridget.
music.
Exactly,
Except me
Bridget, that's what
against
I'm
him,
saying, Bridget, that's what I'm
me go
saying.
against him.
What has he
Right?
done?
Okay.
What has
Bridget
this
and
Lou
Wait,
done?
wait for
Bridget
DJ,
and
go ahead.
Carly, let me just say something. Just want to say something to the panel. Let me say, Bob Marley, with them songs also, is a revolution. Everybody know that with them songs. Because enough of them think they were him singing them songs, them quote, but in quote, right name them, Marcus Garvey, they enough of him songs, them. He's a good messenger. But it has a lifestyle with certain things. That's why I get the name Gang. Gang is not a normal name, you know. Gang means you're a bad boy. You see me? See me have certain characters when they really fit for your hero, neither. You see me?
Not chromas. Let me
No, we're not going to
enlighten you
go for
too.
details. Don't just put it at
Right.
that. You
And
see me?
it's not only Marcus Garvey words alone.
I'm
Him
Selassie too.
also all Selassie. Because
Yes.
everything that Selassie sing, he repeated it. Everything that
Yes.
Selassie
So
he
we can't
repeated.
say
Yeah.
him at the
So
king pan that, so I give him props there, so
yeah.
as a revolution and message in him songs, but even but as a human and certain thing, I'm a bit fast like everybody else, but that's why I get the name Gang. Cause Gang is a rude boy, beat up people and them sitting there do them thing.
I shot
Yeah,
the sheriff,
you see me, so if you
but they
Okay,
understand
so
that.
didn't shoot the deputy.
for me, let
So,
me
so
speak,
without
you
really
know,
go Bob Marley,
please.
now we are nothing but at the same time, the truth is the truth. That's why you go on the same thing there.
For me, Bob Marley as a national icon, perfectly fit. Bob Marley put Jamaica up on the map
Yes.
musically.
Yes.
Yes, perfectly fit. Bob Marley, a talented singer, perfectly fit. Bob Marley singing about Equality among men, perfectly fit.
Yeah, it's a good.
One
It's a,
love, one heart, one destiny, perfectly fit.
you can't
But
tell
as
that
a
I'm a king for
national
reggae.
hero, I could
No.
not compare what Bob Marley has accomplished to where a Sam Sharp or a Paul Bogle have go through
Yes.
for them status. And that is why I cannot see him as a national hero.
A hero.
National
Yes.
icon it is, and that's it there. Right there, so.
Yeah, man. That's it,
Why
man.
them why never say about give Kojo national hero?
I'm to Taki.
All right, Kojo Taki. Yeah.
Yeah, them people there.
Recognize them.
Hold on, who forget national hero? Which Kojo?
Me.
Huh?
Give
You know
Edward
Kojo.
who
Philip
is
George
Kojo?
Thiago hero. Why
Kojo not
not
forget
give
no.
Edward
Kojo
George
not
Philip
forget.
Thiago hero? Look what he has
Listen,
done for our country.
Kojo not forget no national hero. Yeah, me tell her. Kojo, the government for make one 8 stone on a river ton for Kojo. So every time the garbage shut them, go down, they go throw it on the
Why
garbage. Talk about Taki, man like
Taki.
Taki to get
Taki.
recognition, yes.
Well, I think Bob Marley is a step below national hero. Like Kiz said, and put Jamaica on the map. And so the title of national icon is very fitting.
Yeah, man. Nothing wrong with that, man. Right up. I say my king for reggae. We can't take that from him.
And
That's it.
Usain Bolt as well should be a national icon. In time to come, we're gonna remember those guys.
Nobody even mention no Usain Bolt over here, so please and thanks.
Well,
To the
regardless of how we feel,
say Bridget,
hold
to
on,
the
Chromos.
recent, to
Hold
the
on,
recent,
Chromos.
the
Chromos,
recent
hold
thing
on.
going on with there.
Hold on, Chromos.
Actions.
Hold on, Chromos. Regardless of this is
You said a
non-political
cross,
news.
is you remember that?
Regardless of the politics and things, he has put Jamaica name out there on a wide scale as well. I would, you know, we can't. We have to
You
forget
never
about
know,
the
say me put
politics.
all you
Right.
put Jamaica out there now. If everybody fi do something and
Yo.
get hero and what it, how it all go. Everybody put national put him name upon the map, you know, I'll kiss you over Germany, you know. You
Bridget,
can't stay there.
Not
Bridget,
of the same.
Bridget, me a
would have
national
no
hero
space in
in
hero
long
circle to put
time.
them. They would
Bridget, are
have
you
no
gonna
space
kiss it
down
there a while ago?
there.
Are you gonna kiss it there a while ago?
They
Strong
would
eye
have a
video.
Yeah,
space
man.
down a hero circle to put heroes. Come on, people have to think.
Everybody know about hero.
Yeah,
Look
people
here,
have to
man.
think, Bridget, and
Look
stop the
here.
foolishness.
Well
Magoli
deserved,
knows
man.
nothing about our Jamaican culture, so let him have a seat, lead, and
Yeah, man, no, you see this now, I can tell you this. You see, I'm with this, you know, but I go want to try campaign on this now too, you know. I think I might have a try now, man.
Then him not
Everything,
want commas. Let him go. Let him be. Let
you,
him be. Let him campaign.
I'm gonna make it be a talking by, but we see the
Yes, man. Let
way,
him campaign. No problem.
but man, for be here, I'm gonna talk about him, man.
Yes, man. Let
I
him
believe,
talk.
Chromas. Him
I believe during 2020 when this conversation was a big thing, 82% of Jamaicans said Miss Lou and Bob Marley for national icons. The government listened and now they are national icons. Finish. They're not gonna be
late.
no hero.
Him late
That's it.
Chromas. Because
Argument done. Right,
Andrew
that's all.
already Andrew already come out and put it to the public. So him late. Him can't go say what him want to say. But
But you know them gonna try, them gonna try
but
them food.
but
You
but
know that
but
already.
Bridget, this is what I have to say. Usain Bolt
Yes,
need
man. Go
recognition.
ahead.
Usain Bolt need
What?
recognition. Usain Bolt need recognition.
When you stop in the goddamn foolishness and we get it.
No, him need it. I understand.
I firmly
We could have
believe
said
that
it.
plan.
We could have said the same thing about Shelly
Asafa. We never said
Asafa.
that to
and
them.
Asafa and the whole of
What me,
them.
what me
'Cause
I say,
every
what me I
one
say,
of them
even,
play them part.
me not
Never
a
did
problem if you
that.
get anything if you get see, but at the same time, him not get whole pass sitting already, man. Him not go like him not
Him get
whole part this.
him get OD. Sirixta say him get a OD already. Him get
Yeah, him
honor of
get something
distinction.
already.
He
Yeah,
get
he
whole
don't
pass
want
sitting
nothing
already,
more.
so
And him
Honor of
ambassador.
distinction.
yeah, we are talking
And him
like him
never
man
go
get
through
whole
this is
pass.
here,
He not get
brethren.
whole pass sitting already. We are talking like him man not
And
get whole
him
pass. So achieve whole pass sitting
and
already and
him
get
not
that
live up
aside.
to
So
him name. Him a
Magoli, you
follow a
go like
little
you want
blogger
for
them.
Prime Minister for do foolishness. Magoli, go sit down. You think he can call down our Dr. Andrew Holness? Who is him? Man, go sit, have a seat on a Riverton, yeah, man. Go smell some garbage.
I'll go on the call.
Boy, Cali be like your new look. You change up your name, Pam. I wonder where I look for Cali and a different name, you see.
You know, come as me hide from you because you want everybody pan social media. I'm glad me all, you know.
The fuck are you?
Be a thing, see, I go. I don't mean, man, that plank, I'm the plank, you mix me up with a plank.
Don't,
A
Where,
plank for
where,
don't call,
everybody.
where say DJ never
don't,
hide from you? Kali, I
don't,
hide from you.
don't call me name Chroma, because you're alone in your bubble bubble.
You leave Cali easy, I'm a friend, man. And so she turn,
Yeah.
man, at like fire, at pepper sauce, you know?
Me not even know so she changed her name. All me know I say Cali, 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 Cali. Me look now and see say she name Rockstone.
Lord,
Rockstone
but,
labor right, Franco.
but,
Rockstone labor
but
right.
some PMP head, straight.
Yes, man.
Kali, you go down
Yeah,
to
yeah.
Grand Prem?
No, dear. I have some little issues sorting out, but definitely when the roll is called up yonder, I'll be there.
Nobody said that. No say some man.
Alright, right, that's it there.
Right, they say the Bridget.
Yes. Right. No say some man.
Thing is that are the important time, the time to put the
Right.
vote in the ballot box.
Right.
Who they are
Mama,
calling
Ivani,
now
big
to
up
come
yourself,
into
you know, man. A long time I hear
conference.
you in a box, you know. Ivani, big up yourself, mama.
Yeah,
Love you.
TikTok jail, DJ, she have to wait. Then they throw me in a jail one time, but TikTok, you think TikTok easy?
Yeah, that is, okay, then, okay, that's what I see another box. Sorry, yeah, mama. One of them things, bless up yourself, say, love you.
Yeah, here, lady, just tell us say you want every woman, and here you gone there. Yeah,
Oh,
you see you?
mama, no, man, I compliments that, but now look, Ivani,
You see you?
I call you them people, but I'm a
You
friend, them,
see
man.
you?
Everybody have a friend.
Call it same hole.
Yeah, man, me a whole fool, man. Not even hot water can strip me in a plank, so he have to fly past me.
No worry
That day
yourself.
your rooster, they have to fly past me in a plank.
No worry yourself.
Know yourself, Kali. You know, say me I
Chromers.
see him almost like see him age bracket.
Hey,
So you got to talk about your
hey,
young fool,
who,
like me a younger somebody feel. That's it, man.
who used
I
to
just
live
like
at
Anyway,
I
I
just
go
like
and come
young
and be
people.
ticket at 16,
Hey, who used to
Rotted.
live at
Keep it young, you know. I said go.
And all the time with the Chromers.
Yeah, but no, you have one and
That's
two
why some
years.
man about bloat on our walk with Walker.
No,
Chroma.
no me. Me no
Well,
smoke, me no drink, I exercise 24/7. Me fit.
Chroma, so a female that talk to you and I comment. See it?
No, sir, what's your name? I don't know.
Sparkles.
Sparkle, right, man. Sparkle, a spy for me, you know.
But Chromers,
Yeah, Kali.
Tova, go on with herself,
Rockstone.
man. Me love the look down by Tova.
Yeah, with the
Yeah,
car,
man,
with
she a
the,
go on with herself. Me love the look. Me
yeah.
love the
And
look.
my girl that mashed them up last night, Veneza Phillips.
Venetia,
She go out with
match them
herself,
up.
man. Yeah, man, she go out with herself, man. Yeah, man.
And you know who go and go to come as one big man? I think he's a mayor for Trelawney. He may have him newspaper clippings. He mash them up too,
Yeah, man, for real. For real, man. Man, look, this one like a batty boy coming like a PMP batty boy upon the people them live. I watch him, when I bridging that, I'm a big man, but I make kind of shine. I don't know, I don't know when I head top of the man. I look if I look at something upon the man head top. Watch him man head top. Say move your blood PMP pussy. You a batty boy. You come here for watch him man. You watch you could probably go and watch him man head top. Eh? He's a batty boy. That me fancy man to tell him.
Kiss
Jesus.
that. We are gonna have a debate with the Prime Minister and the opposition leader.
When?
Yes,
Muda,
yes, it's
Muda,
up, yeah.
Muda like,
That's what
Yeah,
happened.
man, we have to.
When
Yeah, we
when
have
when you
to.
mean for election?
Yeah, we have
yeah.
to.
That have to go on,
Yes,
man. That have to go on, man.
they always have debates.
Portia was
Yeah,
the
man,
only
leader them
one
are,
that did not
Portia
he
never
did not
want debate.
Andrew or Dr. Michael Andrew unless she didn't want to.
She
I still
No,
can't
on the
she
smoke.
did
Bruce side.
debate.
Me must say
No
Bruce mash
man,
her up, you know.
But she did
no
debate
man.
with Bruce.
She did,
Yes,
she
but
did,
not
she
our,
did.
our current Prime Minister.
But she never debate Andrew.
No, she
Never.
did
She never
not.
debate Andrew.
No, she
No, she
said she
never debate
declined.
PM.
She did not.
Alright, me not remember I know.
She
The man
did
is
Me
not.
think
too.
she did debate.
The
She
man
the
is too
excuse for that.
intellectual. The man is
And I
too
want them there.
intellectual for that.
Portia did I use Mama P style pan PM. I try little boy. That's what she was doing for like, oh, I'm just going to whip him. She did I use pan the Prime
And then
Minister.
Andrew said, go and whip your children.
Andrew, sweet
I'm
me.
just not answer that. I'm just not
Yes,
saying that.
he said that. Go and whip your children. Whip who?
But he's out of order too, because he know that Portia does not have chicken or child.
So but why you gonna whip the big man and you do not have chick or child?
But
Right?
but
So
but
So
but
why
I
can
look
I
like a
throw back
loser to
shades
you.
at you?
that's a low blow there, so
You
when
know,
the
sir,
girl
Eddie that go friend in time there.
didn't chuck
But
a
say,
farcy
you
for
know, say
Mother's
Portia
Day,
have
then need to fling him for it.
well, Portia have a documentary. I know that Andrew always have a lot to do to promote that thing there and set it up fair too.
But
Yeah,
like a
man.
lot of
And him set it up.
Jamaicans
No
do.
PAP never
But
help set it up,
Selena,
but him help
Selena,
promote it.
Selena, Selena, me and you see it the same way. From them time that we know say she wasn't well. Me did see it too. You could hear it in her voice. Her voice was changing. All right, watch. Watch. Do I look like a loser to you?
So Andrew go right off now.
What?
Like in the retirement.
Then when she lose, she said, can't even walk without you. Oh, you're looking so sad. Oh, you're looking so sad. I'm gonna send them to count every ballot. And she did not concede. That is the thing with the PNP. Whenever time they lose it an election, they do.
Missing.
The Trumpish people, them PMP.
This is what me
Oh,
ask
yeah,
me
call
fellow.
Trumpish people.
Oh, hello,
PNP.
Trump alone.
They
Love
are
me
not
pay
no
my
Trumpish
love my
people, cause
president alone.
me a Trump
Okay.
people, and me not PNP.
All right,
You and your Kamala with her long face, you a donkey.
Oh, come
One
on.
I
Trump.
Come
fire
on.
for you, Churchill, with your Kamal where wash our greens in a bathtub.
Not true.
She did not say wash her greens in a bathtub. She
She
did not.
did. She did. They had to wash some in the bathtub.
Bathtub,
No.
eh? What you say,
No.
Churchill?
go ahead.
Oh, you know that. Me don't know that. But I'm just defending Kamala right now. See?
No,
All
no,
right,
no, no,
let's
no.
get back to our local,
Never
please.
defend.
Where my friend hang up on last night, VG. Me don't want no more labor right go
No,
on
Mr.
it.
Me no
I
nothing.
tell them before
Me,
that clock because they go on it one time and display foolishness and them still take themselves and gone over by that man.
Churchill,
Platform.
when me soon go over there last night and when me hear the light, you know, say chop off it, take for himself quick. Jesus, no
Jesus,
mercy.
Bridget, my stomach sick.
So much sick over there, so the man.
And all VJ the pan. What?
Him no know
Blank.
no, him no know
Blank. This
nothing.
one paper. This one
Punkus.
paper. You talk in I comment.
What him
Punkus.
say?
Cool it, filled
Sandy
pan Kalaloo
James.
and turn.
You see the Not video talk, where, not where talk back in the Kamala, 90s still. Where Kamala
Oh,
appeared for the first time in history, no US troops is deployed anywhere in an active war zone.
Even a seat.
And then the soldier them who are in an active war zone cut.
Oh yes. Me see it.
So what the fuck with that? I mean, with the active.
Yeah. Oh, you go say no, for the first time that history no soldier no they in a war zone. Why soldier then they a nonsense shit talk. She don't know nothing about America. Thank you for the roses. Roses.
She know about
Uncle,
washing color green in bath.
One
Uncle,
Trump.
say man, why you already know.
Bridget, you
You know,
misunderstand.
the reason why,
Punkus.
the reason why
Clanka tell me one story, Guys, 1 minute, they make Clank tell Punkus' story, cause
Me
Plank
tell
they
him,
want spot and hear them a threaten for kill off Punkus.
me tell him already. You think I
Oh, you
joke me, I
tell
make?
him.
Mm-hmm.
But look, Mikey natural there, England, 45 minutes from the Netherlands. So jump on a train, come over now, man.
You know what I mean, like with the labor right there, I'm not too hot harder. You should never tell a man that, Punkus.
the reason why me like why I want Trump win is Trump to me seems like a more peaceful president on the international stage.
Yes,
Maybe
If
Trump
it,
not
have
Thank you very
dementia
much,
government.
government.
Trump have dementia, no stay there.
I'm gonna stop the
But
war.
Biden they have it too.
I'm
Biden
gonna
have it too,
stop the war.
and then they have him over there as president, so what?
I'm gonna
Trump
stop
is
the
a
war.
Trump is a big coward.
Trump is a
Coward.
Yes,
negotiator.
Jamaica, my things there, no, me no business with them America, no, me go there, go and catch me can't catch you, no, so to stay
But me
there.
want to tell a rock stone who is the president
take
in
a talk.
America with the party where in a
So
power in America it matters to Jamaica. Trust and believe that.
Of
Always
course.
think about
That them no
geopolitics.
know. Yeah,
Always
geopolitics
think
is very
about geopolitics,
important.
here.
Trump no care
And know
about
say what
nobody
what
else.
happened in America affect us, so we have to pay attention over
I
there.
know it affects the world, I know, but what?
Trump no care about nobody else but himself.
Churchill,
No
you
go
know,
so.
say, Churchill, you know,
Not
say, I
true.
foolish chat.
No, I really think that,
We
brethren.
have a Trump in Jamaica, in the name of Marky British, so no stay there fret about America and Trump.
Trump no stay
They
nothing like
talk
Mark
about
Wellin. Mark Wellin
You
is
know,
a
say
America.
when I talk,
liar.
when I talk American politics, but when you say
Mark
Mark
Wellin
go the
is
worse
a
than Trump.
deceiving, conniving bastard.
To me,
Trump not
when I
talk so
talk
Trump
American
talk him
politics, but
mind.
when
You
you
know
name
when a Trump.
Mark go the worse than Trump.
Yeah, Trump
Ma-
speaking in mind. And
But
him
Trump
appear
belch
bad.
out and vomit out all of the pan in chest. We don't know who we have to deal with. We don't know who we have to deal with now Mark
And
Wellin, because Mark Wellin tell lie every 5 minutes.
we make more money when I'm in a power.
But Trump tell lie every 1 second. How about that?
We don't know about that.
So, oh,
Well,
the
me
Yeah,
America
lies.
me there right now, you know, so me know what I want.
you
You
let me
know?
go that man.
Is it that
That's
is
how we
it
get
that
a little blind. You know, live
persons?
in America. We're not
Is
talking American
All
politics.
right,
No,
let
like
me
that.
get
you
back
know
to
No.
how
local,
long me I try
please. Let me get back to
Church,
local, please.
say something
Man,
and it's
clean
like
boss, man,
me
up.
need to shout to overtalk someone.
Ooh, thank you, clean boss.
Thank you, clean boss.
One clean boss,
What
man,
I'm
up.
saying is, right? If
But last night, clean boss take Philippian for Duppy,
Hey, Trump call through country shithole country. You hear that?
Um,
Me never
Ch-
hear that Churchill. I never hear that.
You know, hear
Churchill,
it. Me I tell her that him say.
Churchill,
Churchill, let go the thing to
Churchill.
Churchill, man.
Let
I
me
let go
back now,
Trump, man.
Churchill. Let me,
Churchill, let
yeah,
go
let
that
me back.
and done. That's what local thing to talk about, brother. Out utmost respect, my boss. Don't the Churchill sitting
Hey,
the
clean
Trump sitting on
boss.
there,
Clean
whatever.
boss, send one of that go see pretty on the screen.
We want clean green to come back to you. Isaac Buchanan going. So Isaac Buchanan, sister and mother.
I
Who?
don't want to hear about them people there.
Then no politics. Then I say Isaac Buchanan, mother and sister.
Plan, that is stale news. That's stale news.
I,
And friend of mine, Muta, and Muta is backing him now. So them people that talk out every all them have on them body. So
No,
well,
that's stale news.
Rockstone labor right. In the name of politics, they may join up, and that's what them turn. Them a hypocrite.
Yeah,
Catch them a PMP.
I'ma back him right now, Chroma. So when them dinner,
In the
them
name
eat
of
with the,
PMP, in
with
the
the
name of
chain and neck
PMP.
and something like that.
Yeah, in the name of
Yeah, but
PMP, you go
him
back
a back
them.
Isaac
Ooh,
now,
thank
so that is
you.
still news. Make Muta
Philippian,
back
big
up, boot
screen.
himself.
Philippian. Big screen me, big screen me. See him there. That is all. That is Mr. I sit or I shit in a Port Antonio today at the Heroes Day
Claudia.
event. Within good girls stand up.
Hello.
Thank you, clean. That is the good girls stand up. You see the good girls stand up.
so you could have put on one Jamaica tie like everybody else.
No man,
Well, I
agree.
guess him
Say
a
now
follow
put
and
it
leader.
down.
You
You
could
see,
have
you
put
know,
on.
leader, I never have that with Jamaica colors night, and I say that. Apart from the black pants.
You know why? Who him bring with him?
I will bring.
You know why I
Chip
see?
Diddy. You bring Diddy.
Oh, Joey Bryan,
I didn't name no, I know Joe Brian name Diddy.
Andre Stevenson.
Ah,
Then
What shit up? What shit up Port Antonio? What shit up all of Port Antonio?
oh, have mercy, my God.
you know, say kids that wicked. Kids that other kids that I what are kids.
Yeah.
What make you say I man bring him man? You see two of them
I him
together?
bring him.
I him bring him.
I him bring him down there. He
I'm
never there
parring.
Portland yet. I him bringing him
Yeah.
there.
Oh Jesus!
You ever see
God,
him? You ever see him at Portland yet?
somebody said take him off.
Oh, watch clean
Oh,
boss and
thank
shoot up in
you.
live. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, thank you. I wasn't cleaner.
That's my bro. That's my bro, guys.
Oh,
Welcome, clean
thank
boss.
you for
One
the
clean boss on
roses.
the app.
Big up yourself, my general. Halloween style. My birthday are 2 days before Halloween, you know.
I nearly
Mm.
be dumpy. All right,
Man,
Philippian,
I
take
talk
back your
about
big box.
yeah.
But I'm
What
not
make
gonna lie,
them?
no, Kizzy. Kizzy,
Me
see
no
that picture
ball.
that you have up there. I like that picture there. like that suit they have on. Not in a lie. Look good for you.
You like
You
my
hear
suit?
you
Like
right
that
up with
pose.
DJ Chromas.
We like that pose. We like that picture, them man.
The right comers, we don't want to see no two side man up there.
Big up his screen then. Big up his screen, I could see a picture.
Put the live picture. Put the live picture.
It a go stay right there, so. Put on the glasses.
Yeah, man. Kids, man, not tell like liberal woman them six, me turn idiot when I see them to right. That's why I can't
Well
stop compliment them, you
chromed
know.
down, natural.
Yeah, man, woman them nice, man. Liberal woman them sweet and intelligent behind it, pan back it too. That are the thing, information straight up. Yeah, man.
No come out of the buckle. Straight out of my mother and my father back.
Yeah, I
Hey,
tell you.
remember say Baka Master when he dig up Portland.
Brutey with the
first
brain, man. And I liberate woman them. Brutey with the brains. Yeah, man. That is a plus, man. I tell you.
No,
Andrew,
no,
Andrew,
really me get trouble.
Andrew, you say something.
Yes,
Kizzy,
Andrew,
we
what
can
you
do-
say? Philippine, take back your big box.
No, me I say when the Baka Master did go up Portland. Remember
You
say
are jump
first man
out.
in Jaffa at the fish pool. We go up there with him.
I will go with him.
The fish pool when we show up on the something a while ago. On the
Bridget,
screen.
you know. Bridget, a two man, you know. A two man, you know. You know, see her sexy like that too.
Nads boutique, no bleachy. Real natural
Leave me
color.
alone, Chromas.
At you know, me say the woman liberate woman them are like fire to her at it.
You know,
Philippine,
Bridget, a
somebody,
hot, big woman,
Philippine,
Bridget, hot for true.
Philippine, somebody said Philippine DP fake.
What are they?
Yeah, somebody said,
You know, me hear the PMP them with that sitting there chat.
I
say,
feel.
say this
Is
DP
that a
and Philippine,
Philippine real picture? Is that a Philippine real picture?
Them
Yeah,
not
bro.
good with that. Them too enough.
But them out of man if you go, man.
I
I'll
think
Nah,
match
he
my
come
name.
in a Portland last night because he know if it's where Portland, he know
I'll
house,
picture
he
them
know
bad
ties in
man you
Portland. Go
over.
put him up.
especially the batty boy car should have put what of everybody fight. Like man that chat and sit there to him. And the main one. The boy. That shit car
So who
shot.
cares? Who business?
You hear the boy there at the live last night. That man, you know, say boy there an ambition. You have a right to say, I must in carry sleeping of it tree, taxi way run. That boy there can't no ambition. We ain't talk last night on that. Yeah. Remember me tell you that.
because the man give them more time to talk than the labor right them. And then when the
Yeah.
labor right them attack, he make then jump in a labor right then conversation. Actually,
Our
respect.
Churchill, our Churchill, I don't know what Churchill about you over there the last time.
Me never see Churchill, but me see that
Church,
hear the argument.
I
Hear the argument.
I
As
was
long as
there.
like people that roll left the labor right them and the PMP get people they get dust out the road way. And appeal labor the left
The
bucket like
PMP
last
them the
man.
go man. The PMP them the go because when the match said they don't make no sense. All
Because when they
one
prove,
boy
I don't know
come.
coach VG was a prove something upon them. I find out them a liar too. Oh me here.
but yeah,
You see
what
about the
unfair
hospital,
though.
the hospital
Chromas,
thing.
what
Yeah,
was
yeah,
going on
Philippine.
over by VG last night?
Me know me never over there, you know. Hear me
Speaking
here.
up for the
we did
orange
over
PMP
there.
they want PMP they want corrupt life with them lie and propaganda as
Lie,
always.
yeah.
So who come over there and to the rescue?
A whole lot of people over
I
there.
hold
Big
my
chaps.
liberty over there, man. I hold
Churchill,
my
yeah, what
liberty over
Oliver
there.
did over there.
Chaps face head over there.
Before, Goody and
Yeah,
Chavi
chaps
been
are
over
chuck.
there
Chaps are
before.
chuck. One of them is over there too.
Goody,
Chop,
yes. Goody
chop,
Goody did over there
Goody
too.
and Chavi been there before Chaps and Chuck come. Cause Goody and Chavi been a counter them. With their lie.
Move
Yeah,
Okay.
man,
from
you
there, no, Mr.
This Chavi there.
Nathaniel, because you this wake up. Move from here, so.
have to
What
check
be
them.
Nathaniel box for?
when he
Hey,
gone.
You're
Bridget,
not so
how
Nathaniel
are
for
you,
what?
baby?
Nathaniel, my virgin.
No, man.
People in the life, I
Yeah,
just cut off
yeah,
power and say them a cussing.
come on, Chavi and Goody been a talk
Is
them out, man.
somebody
Cause Goody
really
have to
hold
call him
on?
done, you know.
Let's steer the conversation into something constructive. Somebody really said that. A man said economic growth is not for poor people. Wow.
Yes.
That the conversation
Yes.
that you need. Because
But
that's stupidness.
That's a caution. It is stupid.
Okay.
That's true, but you know,
And
can
you,
never
Graham,
expect
say,
brother.
you grant your PMP first develop Portmore. Yeah, me jeez,
Hey,
you with up a
hey,
man
Them
like.
Philippian,
lie.
Philippian, do me a favor. Add Kenny in the box that were empty.
No, no empty box under there. You want it? No
Me
me
go,
empty
me go,
box under there.
me go drop on add him because if you take me down, you want me space.
Because we don't come out too. If no one that Xbox can come out too, you know, because some see, you know, make people come out.
Yeah, if somebody want to come in, you can drop me to
Yeah, me
Phil.
come out. Me willing to come out. So I stay, me share the thing.
If anybody in the but I want yeah,
Dante look
can
like
drop
he
me.
want come say
I
something
don't
too.
want no space. Take me out. Take
The
those lands.
man lying. Come on, all sleep at night
Alright, I
time.
jump out. I go jump out.
Oh God.
No, I didn't want to come in the box, you know.
Ken, you did over you never over there last night, Ken?
BG, yeah. Only
Why
tell
some
a
of
man
that
let
light tell
go
over
on
there?
conversation with caution. Caution is, you know, he's suffering.
You see the next one, they can say ABC. I run up and down and show a hospital about PJ Bill Hospital. Like if they can't trick nobody.
Oh, Nathaniel, you know.
I work up and down and show a
Nathaniel,
brand new hospital when Prime Minister just done furbish. I'm putting and put on 8 people like the
Oh,
PJ
Mama
Bill
Joy said
Hospital.
worst experience. I was over there.
yeah.
And come back to Black Hospital name in a ducky mouth. We didn't
Let
face
your
Yeah,
it.
box
yeah,
stay
Nathaniel.
Nathaniel.
Nathaniel, so let's go and call Black River
Die.
Hospital now, no name.
No,
Go up in
Philippine.
no mouth.
Oh, Mama Joy said them cussar. Well,
Mama Joy
I
Philippine.
Most of them run off last night,
Mama.
man.
Yeah.
Something would have killed them.
Hi
Original
guys.
Goody, or
yeah,
that
goody
Leah and
kill
Chops
them.
come
Goody
on.
good at that, man.
Yeah,
Them
Chops come
cuss.
on and ask some pertinent questions and couldn't answer. Them a dodge
About the
on it.
murder rate.
And a man come on and say, one of the most ridiculous thing the man say, economic progress is only for rich people. A man say, economic growth only benefit rich people. Yeah.
Yeah.
PNP, not good for the country. Really and truly, I think them should have criteria or qualify people for vote. I know everybody eligible for vote.
It's the same kind of argument when they talk about if the road can eat. You're not the same line, I think.
The man say all who not talk about economic progress. The man say economic growth are only for rich people.
Yeah, he did say
Big
that.
man too, you know. A big man
So
attack
you
away
see
there.
how that kind of put you in a position where it just I tell you say, okay, you're not supposed to prosper. You should stay at a particular level. Economic growth is not important.
No, the PNP
Any
are a
of-
set of people that, you see, I'm going to tell you something. You see, PNP party, it appeal to the bad man in society.
It's
People
like you just
who
stuck in
hate
a one
success.
place.
Yeah, you accept, say you're not going to win a life, so your next
Yeah.
move now, your next thing have to hate who will make progress. That's the PNP then. Watch anybody where you see bad mind and just have themselves down, you look on which party them tend to vote for. When them give up in a life and them feel like say them not reach nowhere again. Them hate success, them hate anybody where make progress. Them not like progress. PNP not like progress. Them always talk about, I want for the little man and thing. Them not feel like so them can be the big man someday. Them accept poverty as for them norm. You understand? And them hate who I make progress. They don't like that. Them feel like them entitled. That's the kind of mentality. That's why them cannot build the country.
And then you know GCT from GTC.
Yeah. I'm
That
gonna
you,
talk about
Richard.
GTC.
It's a you, Richard.
Man said about 8 time, you know.
Yeah.
When you hear them
Hey,
talk, you know,
that-
so for them whole idea about what them can get, what them can get, you know, them present it. It's about what you can
That
get
them
in
man-
poverty. Not
That
being
them man them
uplifted
lies
out
to
of
kill him, you know,
poverty.
if he lie, say.
Foresight,
Yeah?
foresight.
Yeah, me I listen.
Them,
I think
them
him in
all
type
right
of
with that
innocent.
because the PNP instill that mindset in them that having nothing is okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the rich man must
Yeah,
hear
the
something.
man
You're
say,
entitled to what the rich man has.
yeah, me hear the man I say, The one where always I pull up, same I pull up website and I put up in phone. Him a read, but him have no comprehension skills.
Yeah, him not ready.
I hear him say about Hardly Shaw and him come and him read. This
And
this and that and that
who
because
read
the
article,
people were
who
in the
write the article.
cabinet. Well, he said people were in the cabinet and guess what? The JLP was not in power, so Hardly Shaw could not be in the cabinet.
Remember, so them whole campaign, is built around where Andrew have, So it's really bad mind people them attract with that. Right? It's not what Andrew do, Where man have, right?
We
Where
never
man
like
have,
the host.
where man have,
I saw him stay here. We just understand him.
where man have a watch trouble
He
them,
look like him into current affairs. So a lot of things.
Yeah, that
know
is it, I don't think you should be a host of a
you have to have
program
an
like
idea
that.
how I go on.
Exactly. If you don't have an idea what is going on, you can be my host. Cause clearly, him don't know nothing.
When do we make them? He make
foreign him there.
No man in there Jamaica.
No. A Jamaica in there?
He go back and forth. In the day foreign one, but he gone back now. But
I pretend like him not knowing.
He come with them direct the conversation which part them want to figure.
Right.
That's why Chopper come on and say.
He give them too much
One thing he want to add, they want him to do fact check. Force them that Chopper come on come first. Chopper tell him say him want when them come with them thing. Just make them provide proof. Make them provide evidence and facts. Yeah.
But when you Richards come about the houses, how much houses and Andrew bill and them bill how much houses. I mean say it look like in the year the figures how much.
Which part in Jamaica they house there?
I don't remember the figure when we did last night, But me say look like in the year how much house we built since we take over 2016. I mean it must be double.
What of them say PNP
100,000. I see something like that. Check them.
You Richard say the golden
150,000. Yes.
Mark Golden's father.
Yes.
He founded it, but he didn't bill it out of his pocket.
I think it's you correct him, right, Churchill?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Understand? He founded it, but he don't him bill it out of with his own money.
Yeah.
Hi guys. I actually
And guess what? Mark Golden never contributed a dollar to that list.
I actually saw Churchill.
Speak, we don't give her a chance.
Yeah, I actually saw Churchill and Nathaniel on the live. So I thought it was our live. I get some cussing, you see.
When was that? Last night?
They sent me say and me they will come here for the party. Because
you didn't go up in the box.
My
you didn't go up
grandkids.
in the box, Joy?
Yes, I did. Because there was this gentleman that said anybody who has a 9 to 5, it's not necessary because we don't remain poor. Me not remain poor. Because I have a 9 to 5 for the past 11 years. Well, I usually work before, but since I'm in this 9 to 5, me turn my board house in a concrete. And me send my daughter to college and my son to college. One a detective, one a teacher. So there's no way them could have mislead me. Then there was this man named Sheldon, Caution, and then the people them in the comment, one Canadian girl, one Gaza, whatever.
You know I eat that man.
Then cuss me. And I mean all I did was I just keep typing. Third term loading with some dots and send up my green at them. At that time, then cuss. Me never know some people so dark and fool.
Fool, man.
When Caution realized I'm me no man, cause him can't stomach me no man. Me ain't start dropping word for me no, so me say, you know what? Me and Kashan can't drink tea, so me cut and me cut. Me left them over there.
They did it in the
They
box?
have no reason
I
in
wasn't in the box,
ability.
I was in the comment.
Oh, in the chat. Okay.
But him not have him trust
Me
me.
so happy at night time.
Kadim,
When them the
Kadim,
foolishness they attack, me already
Let me
asleep.
tell
you
you something,
gone on
man.
your
That
bed,
man, that brother,
Kizzy.
they want to live a
Thank
bad
God.
mind, brother, you know. You see me? He like to sit down and watch people things.
Yes,
I wonder
yes,
how them
Yeah.
yes,
get it.
yes, yes.
And he don't want to put in no work. He don't want to go up my bank
I don't
account.
talk about what
Certain things
people
he don't
have.
want to do. He does bad mind.
I don't come up with the whole
Me
make
have
up
a
story.
question to you ask.
Go through, man.
I have a question. Them PNP, are they blind to the progress? Are they just capping? Are they so live for the PNP? Are they genuinely don't know
You
what's
know, go
happening?
by space 1 minute.
You have
Them
people who
lie.
don't like progress enough, big man. You have people who just not like progress enough because them feel alienated from it. Them don't tell themselves that them not reach no one life. And them just don't like progress. Them not like to see nobody else have made the progress because them think that it's not for them. Right? For your ear, it is where it's common among the PNP to say, all the progress and all the development will take place is for the rich man. Why you think them say that? Because them feel alienated. Anything with progress them say after the rich man and not for them. Because PNP work off a thing where you have to help them in poverty. Not help them out of poverty.
Man, them say a thing last night where no make no sense to me. I think like
So
them,
all them want are the brown paper bag.
like they don't like
Yeah.
the government to give every Jamaican a house. I'm like, that not feasible.
Them
People
see the
who can
progress
help
enough.
themselves, they will help themselves.
Yeah, that's not feasible, brother. But
You
them see the
understand?
progress enough. Don't think the PNP no know, say. A whole heap of things are going on. PNP them know that, brother. Them just don't want to accept and give the JLP the credit. It's a JLP leader, so them don't want to give the Prime Minister the credit.
But you know, say,
Anyhow, the PNP in power and I do half away Android now. Trust me.
a Michael Manley fault. Because Michael Manley come with him democratic socialism. And then he say, when the rich man have, the poor man forget it. Them not to go work for it. Whatever the rich man have, them yeah, you know.
Like they forget it. You see me?
Yeah, man, if you reason with them, man, they make you know so well, then the man, they have whole for things. We forget some of it.
Yeah, man.
Entitled.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they feel entitled to
A
what
Manley,
other people work hard for.
and Michael around that. And them instill it, now them pick them. And I saw it, you know, escalate.
But if you
There
see
is
the
no
contrast,
sensible
you know,
person
if
in
you look
Jamaica
at
right now. No sensible citizen in Jamaica right now, brother. Right?
there's night and day between the JLP
We
and the
can
PNP.
accurately talk about so them don't see the progress where it take place. Nothing.
15-year-old, you could understand, so them don't know what happened before, if they don't know the history. Don't know what happened back in the 90s and in the 70s.
Come here, I go drive you now.
And if a PNP, you know, kick him out.
Economic progress
Who
change,
wants to come up?
Champs, one brother named Champs.
Huh? Champs? Okay. The person?
Yeah,
Oh,
come up
yes,
with
it
it.
is. But he's just running the screen. Okay. He's there.
Champs
Like
have
we
got
hear,
one
we
troll
hear no
account.
champs.
Not even Champs have one follower. Champs, so you walk up in our people backs with your nonsense now. What
Let
kind
him
of
talk.
economic person you be a hide?
You can talk.
Why you not always in a hiding?
Hold on, mute one at a time.
Champs not
All
gonna
right.
say not a word in English.
All right.
Champs.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good
So
afternoon.
I teach economics. I teach economics at the high school. I see where on social media a lot of persons have a misconception of what economic growth and what economic development is. And what I see that is happening in our country now and seeing where there is progress, but that is a misconception that we need to get from out of our head. Why?
Exactly.
Because if there is expansion in the economy, more persons are going to be employed, more persons are going to be able to afford the things that more persons are going to be able to afford the things that they need to improve their quality